I'm Lawrence. I'm a property coach and author. Hi, I'm Lawrence. I'm a property investor and coach. In this series, I'll be taking you through live proposals and analyzing them from the point of view of an investor. Through all the work that I do on my YouTube channel and my books and through my networks, I receive hundreds of emails every month of people asking me to invest in deals or to at least review the proposals they have and give them any advice or feedback. Now, I thought I'd take a couple of these proposals and do a quick video of me reviewing it live. Now, this is not a naming and shaming exercise. I don't mean to badmouth or belittle anyone. I'm purely using this as a practical application to share to others who are watching this channel and who are interested in property investing but not quite sure how to put together a professional invest proposal, on what to look out for and how to approach an investor in the right way.
Okay, so I received this proposal this morning. I thought I'd quickly run through it and just give my perspective as how I as an investor would look at this opportunity. So obviously, this one photo does show that it's half built or in the process of being built, and obviously the owner of this property has run out of money or capital, and therefore they're selling it half built. One thing that the invest proposal has got here is Savannah Country Estate, so I'm assuming that's where this property is being built, and I'll use that when I look at Property 24 just to try and understand what the area looks like. I think the key lesson you need to learn when you're looking at investor proposals is being able to do your own due diligence. So yes, the numbers presented here will tell a very pretty picture because the person trying to source this deal, that's what they have to do. They have to try and make it look good. Your job as an investor is to do your own due diligence and verify with your own inputs and your own proof that it is indeed a good deal. So they've got a capital flip strategy here, property value of 3.8. So that's why I've opened up Property 24 and I've just searched for Savannah Country Estate. And I've done some due diligence, right? So I've looked at sort of the average prices of 5 beds plus, just to confirm that 3.8 is a fair resale value. I think 3.8 is on the upper end, is a premium price. But potentially, I would like to see some sort of Lightstone report or some sort of proof that this is achievable. So the purchase price, they're selling this for 1.6. I also found on Property 24 a half-built or in the process of being built house going for 2.2. So I reckon this is probably a relative comparable property to the one that I'm looking at now. And then bond fees, transfer fees. I don't know why there's a discount. Maybe because the person sourcing this deal is an attorney and they're able to give cheaper rates on the transfer fees. But bond fees, I'm not sure why there's a discount. And then a sourcing fee of 40,000. So that's what this person wants in exchange for this deal. So the rehabilitation costs of 1.1 million. Let's see, levies per month, rates, water and electricity, bond repayments, holding period of 6 months. So a couple of things that I don't like about this proposal. Again, there's not enough detail as to why these discounts are there. There's no pictures other than this one. This is really all that's been given to me is one sort of page with renovation estimates and then one page with this. So no pictures, no proof, no Lightstone report, no TPN, nothing that proves to me that this is the fair market value. Holding period of 6 months is definitely not going to be enough. It's going to take maybe 6 months just to finish building this, if that, and then another 4 months roughly to sell. So my capital flip strategy is not going to be executed in 6 months. It's going to be executed in 12 to 18 months, which will change the situation. Again, the after repair value, I'd like to see some sort of proof. Estate agent's commission is fine. Selling costs, yeah. So they're saying a profit of 460,000. Again, that's on the assumption of 6 months resale period and 3.8 resale value. And now here the building estimates. Now I don't have much experience in doing this amount of renovation. I usually buy older properties and then kind of modernize them. That kind of budget I could accurately estimate. But this would be thumb sucking for me. Like I can assume that the kitchen and the pantry would take about 120 because you're looking at a very nice finishings there. But a lot of these things I don't actually have a clue as to what the real pricing is, and this specific spreadsheet doesn't give me any confidence. If this was backed up by a signed quote from a builder, or maybe there were 3 or 4 different builders' quotes attached to this proposal, I would be more inclined. So as it stands, this proposal in its current form, as you can see, it's the one picture It's a couple of really nice numbers that look impressive, and then the renovation budget. But this is not a proposal that I would move forward with or take any kind of action on. It's missing way too much detail. It doesn't give me enough comparable information like Lightstone and TPN about the area. It doesn't give me any confidence on the renovation budget because there's no quotes, there's no supporting documentation. And I think that's the key thing that's missing with this specific deal, especially when you're buying a property that's half built. You're taking on a lot of risks, you're taking on a lot of costs and a lot of time to be able to fix this deal and make it market worthy. You want to make sure that you're buying the right kind of deal. So I think the sourcing fee of 40,000 is very low, but also there's not been a lot of work put into this deal other than maybe they found this on Property 24 and quickly put some high level estimates and numbers up. Again, I don't mean to offend anyone, I'm just giving my honest opinion, but this proposal would need a little bit more work.
Are you tired of having more month at the end of your money? It's time to venture into property investing. And although it may seem scary, don't worry. We've created tons of resources to help you get started. From tools that help you analyze deals to online training courses to one-on-one specialized coaching. Click the link in the comments below and get started today.